Good morning, students. Today I'm going to explain to you History Chapter 2 Nationalism in India. What was the reason to have nationalism in India? The struggle against colonial dominance fostered a sense of unity among the people of India. So, in this chapter, we will focus only the factors that were responsible for the growth and development of national consciousness in India. In this chapter, we will mainly learn the factors responsible for the growth of nationalism in India. They are economic exploitation, poor condition of peasants, influence of Western education, policy of racial discrimination. The first one is development of means of transport and communication. Rediscovery of India's past. The role of cultural process contributed to the growth of nationalism in India. So these are the factors. Now let us explain in detail the main factors that were responsible for the rise of nationalism in India in the 19th century. They are racial discrimination. The British looked down upon Indians who were given separate compartments in the trains, were not given high posts in the administration, and who got less salary in the army than the British soldier. Then second one, developed transportation and communication. Developed railways, telegraph and a regular postal system in India enabled Indians to communicate with each other, share views and thereby find a common ground to unite. And third factor, Western education. Western education exposed India to ideas of democracy, liberty and equality. Indians read about French and American resolutions which inspired them to struggle for freedom and equality. Fourth one, rediscovery of Indian in past. The rediscovery of revitalization of the great